laughing silly again. So I'm Ava. We are just hanging out up here.
And what are we gonna draw?
Elf.
An elf. We're gonna do a holiday elf. And what's on your hat or your head?
A hat.
What kind of hat?
It's Santa hat.
A Santa hat. Cause what's coming up?
Christmas.
Christmas is coming, huh? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, let's draw an elf. Thanks for joining us.
Let's draw. Thanks for joining us.
On Hey Kids, let's draw.
On Hey Kids, let's draw.
Okay, we're gonna start our holiday elf face. And this will be a fun, easy elf today. We're gonna do a big circle right down here. So watch Daddy and follow me. Here we go. We'll start at the top. Watch Daddy. Go down.
I'll do a giant right here.
Let's fix your papers.
I'm gonna do a giant right here.
Okay, do a big circle. Good. Okay, we're gonna do 2 big eyes. I'll do 1 circle. Good job. Let's do another one right over here. Another circle. Looking good. Are you ready to do this holiday elf? Let's do our highlights. We'll do a big circle inside, a big circle inside, and let's do a little circle on the bottom. Can you do a big circle inside there and a little circle? Do a big circle. Good. And a little circle. Now let's color them in with black. Color around those circles, okay?
I got a big mistake.
You did a big mistake? What
Yeah,
happened?
but
Mistakes are okay, huh?
Yeah, but
You
look.
Oh, that's not a mistake. That looks just fine. Don't you worry about it. Is it okay to make mistakes?
No.
Yes. It's just fine to make mistakes. It does not need to be perfect. Look at my circle. It's not perfect. It doesn't even look like a circle. It's kind of like an oval. But I tried, huh?
Yeah, because mine look like a circle. Mine look like a circle.
Yours looks great. Good eyes. All right, let's do a nose. Ready? We'll do a pointy nose. We'll go up, down.
Up and down.
Because I think elves kind of have pointy noses, you know? And let's do a little mouth that's smiling. Like right, a smile right there.
Right, a smile. Like
Good job.
a little bit high.
A little bit high. And I'm gonna do smile marks. Smile marks. Smile marks. Good job. Let's do a couple of eyebrows. Happy eyebrows.
This is a
Happy
girl.
eyebrows.
And I want this one to be a girl.
Okay, that can be a girl. I like, if you draw the eyebrows kind of like little rainbows, it adds life, expression to the face. So, good job. Let's do a little bit of hair coming down.
Dad, it looks like a boy.
It looks like a boy elf.
Yeah.
It can be a boy elf.
And
Whoa, that's a long hair. Is that a girl elf?
yeah.
Good job. Oh goodness gracious, good job. Okay, elves have pointy ears, I think. Here, let's fix your paper. There you go. Let's do some pointy ears. Okay, right here we'll do curve up.
Dad, I want this to be a girl.
Okay. And over here, bring that over to the same side, or the opposite side. We'll do curve up.
Curve up.
And we'll bring it down to the face.
Down to the face.
And other side, down to the face.
Down to the face.
Kind of looks like a scary little figure here. All right, now let's add the elf hat. Okay.
Dad.
Do you want your elf hat to be puffy or straight?
I want my...
Puffy, like Santa Claus hat, kind of?
I like a circle on mine.
Okay, here we go. Oh, good job. We're gonna start and go big puffs. These are just big rainbow puffs that come all the way over.
I want my
And
hat.
on the bottom,
I
puff,
want
puff.
my hat to be this.
Okay, you can do that.
The other
on those
hat
little lines.
sounds a little hard.
Okay, we're almost finished, and then we can color. And finally, we'll do a big triangle, starting with this puff. Watch. You ready for the triangle hat?
I don't want a triangle hat.
You don't want one? Oh, that's okay. You don't have to have one. This is, everyone can do their own drawing. We'll go up and down like a triangle. And I kind of made mine point off to the side. And around this triangle, we're going to do a big puffy ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our elf face. And let's do a stripe, kind of in a curve. And another stripe. We'll color those in. In my ears, I want it to look a little more like an ear, so I'm going to do a curve and a curve. And then I'm going to bring another curve to follow the face, and another curve to follow the face. All right, there's our elf. You ready to color, Ava?
Yep.
Okay, say fast forward.
Fast